Okay. So you need to find the shaded area. So how will you start finding? You have to subtract the small right angle triangle from the big triangle ABC. Now, how will you do it? The small right angle triangle area can be calculated by normal formula, half into base into height. But the big triangle ABC, that you have to calculate by what? Heron's formula. So try to do it. So I am also doing so that I can cover up a lot of things. Today my target is to little bit start MPT, just a basic idea, midpoint theorem also. Okay, let me do it. So we are calculating AB first, okay? First we are calculating AB. So by Pythagoras theorem on triangle, you have to calculate AB, the length of AB. So you have to apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle ADB. Okay. So how much will be AB? Directly write. AB will be root over AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. So it will be root over 16 square. No, 12 square plus 16 square. Okay. So it will be root over of 144 plus 256. So it will be root over of 144 plus 256 is giving you 400. So it is 20 centimeter. Okay. Chalo. 20 centimeter. So this is AB. Understood? So AB's length you got this as 20 centimeter. Let me mark it. If you have understood, this is 20 centimeter. You got AB's length. Now you can find the area of the big triangle, that is ABC. So for that you need Heron's formula. Okay. So triangle, we are calculating triangle ABC. Triangle ABC semi-perimeter will be equal to sum of sides by 2, that is 20 plus 48 plus 52. If you have done, you can tell me the answer what you have got. 20 plus, it will be how much? 120 by 2. It is 120 by 2. It is coming out to be 60 centimeter. Okay. That is the value of semi-perimeter. Now we will put on the area formula. That is area equal to root over of semi-perimeter into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. All sides are unequal. So you can put it 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 48 into 60 minus 52. Okay. So you will get what? This is 60, this is 40, this is 12, this is 8. So 60, 40, 8, 12. So square root will give you what? Do the square root, it will give you, I think it will give you 480 centimeter square. Check it whether it is coming or not. It will give you 480. Now বুঝতে পারলে বলবে. Okay, you should ask me. Is it coming? 60, 40, 12, 8. If you do the square root, you factorize all of them separately. Don't multiply. Okay. You do not multiply 60, 40 and 12. You say factorize them separately.
Sir, 240 years.
240. 240 is coming. Are you sure? Others please check. Others please check. Arnav Haldar, what it is coming? Aditya Singh, সৃজা কত আসছে? সান্নিধ্য প্লিজ বলো। Yes, ask me, Srija. কি বলবো বলো? Ask me.
স্যার তুমি কি শেডেড পোর্শনটা বার করে নিয়েছো?
No, no, no. I am
তাহলে
calculating triangle ABC, মানে full triangle, big triangle.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
Okay, big triangle I am doing by Heron's formula because in big triangle the three sides are 20, 52 and 48. In big triangle. Okay. So in big triangle by Heron's formula I am calculating. So please others check me. Check and tell me. Aditya Singh or no Haldar. Please unmute and tell me what is the answer coming. Is it coming 480 or 240? Or no Haldar, please respond.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Aditya
Sir,
Singh,
thinking.
thinking. What thinking? You should calculate. You are going to do. চলো 480 আসছে তো ত্রিশান্ত স্মিতা কত আসছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলছি দাঁড়াচ্ছি।
So let me check myself. We are not doing. Chalo. 12 from 12 we have. See, I am shifting this to down. See how is the fast way to do
Sir,
this.
use calculator.
No, no, no. You should learn the process of doing this. So here there is 1 6, 6 into 2. Not do two tens are there. 10 into 4 and here also 10 into 6. So 10
Or
will come
8 or
out.
20 into
Huh.
2.
Yes, yes, yes. So 10 will come out.
240.
10 into 10 will come out. One 10 will come out and then 6 or 10 into 6 is there. Sorry, 6 will come out. 10 into 6. Let me see. This is 10 into 6. So 1 6 will come out. Okay. One 10 will come out, one 6 will come out outside root, and there is a 4 into 2. 4 into 2. So one 4 will also come out, and then there is 2 into 2. So there is, just a minute, 4 into 4 come out
একটা
and
2
2
আছে।
and no, there is also 2. So see this, 4 4 1 4 and 2 all are coming out. So what is the answer? 6 4s are 24. 24 into 2 48. 48 into 8
4 is
480, 480 তো আসছে। 480 তো আসছে কি ব্যাপার? Strange, strange thing, strange. You are getting 240. I don't know who are getting 240. Tell me honestly.
আমি পাচ্ছি।
কি করে? Where is the mistake? Realize the mistake. Have you understood the mistake?
দুবার করলাম 240 বেরোচ্ছে।
কি করে তুমি দেখো আমার চোখের সামনে স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে দেখতে পাচ্ছ। Where try to find out the mistake now. Where is the mistake? বার করো স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে দেখে মিস্টেকটা বার করো। এটাই তো this thing you have to learn to find out your own mistake. You see I am taking pairs. ভালো করে দেখো আমি I am taking pairs. Let me take pairs. Acha. 6 and 6 one pair, 10 and 10 one pair, and 4 and 4 one pair. I am taking all the pairs. দেখো ভালো করে 4 and 4. Now see 10 10 one pair, 1 10 coming out. 6 6 pair, 6 coming out. 4 4 pair, 4 coming out. 2 2 pair, 2 coming out. সৃজা কত এসছে? সৃজা কত এসছে? কৃষ্মিতা ত্রিশান আচ্ছা তাড়াতাড়ি করো। কৃষ্মিতা ত্রিশান কত এসছে? এসছে 480 এসছে? আদিত্য সিং হাউ মাচ ইট ইজ
আচ্ছা
কামিং?
হ্যাঁ সে 240 আসছে।
আবার 240 আসছে। এই তো দেখিয়ে দিলাম তো কি করে 480 হলো। কি
আমি
করে
জানি
হচ্ছে?
না স্যার 480।
480 আরে অভিনবশীল তুমি তোমাকে জানতে বলছি না তুমি দেখো স্ক্রিনের দিকে দেখে তুমি বলো কোথায় বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে। স্ক্রিনের দিকে দেখো লুক এট দ্য স্ক্রিন অভিনবশীল স্ক্রিনটা দেখে বলো তুমি কোন জায়গাটা বুঝতে পারোনি। লুক এট দ্য
স্ক্রিনে
স্ক্রিন
বুঝতে পারছি, কপিতে
তাহলে
ঘড়িটা
কপিতে
খুঁজে পাচ্ছি।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা সেটা হতে পারে দ্যাট আই ক্যান হেল্প ইউ ইউ ক্যান ব্রিং ইট টু মি নেক্সট ক্লাস আই ক্যান হেল্প ইউ দ্যাট ডেফিনেটলি।
স্যার একবার পুরো মানে একটু ব্রেক করে করো তো, মানে 10 into 6 তো ওটা 2 into কোনোরকম ভাবে করা যায়
না না, ওটা করলে অনেক সময় লেগে যাবে। করতে
কোনোরকম
ওটা
তাহলে আমার
প্রচুর
240
প্রচুর সময় লেগে যাবে, ওটা তো দিন রাত কভার হয়ে যাবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? দিন রাত কভার হয়ে যাবে, দিন রাত। এই তো তোমাকে আমি নেক্সট পেজে দেখাচ্ছি, দেখো না, 60 40 কি ছিল বলে, দেখো বড় বড় করে দেখো, 60 40, আর কি আছে, 12 8। এই তো বিগ 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 ভ্যালুস। 60 কি লিখবে, 6 × 10। 40 কি লিখবে, 4 × 10। ঠিক তো? 12 কে কি লিখবে, 6 × 2। 8 কে কি লিখবে, 4 × 2। দরকার পড়লে ফার্দার ব্রেক করবো। তাহলে এবার কাপলিং করো, কাপলিং, do the coupling. 10 10 couple, one couple coming out, one of them. 6 6 couple, 1 6 coming out. Then 4 4 couple, 1 4 coming out. Then 2 2 couple, 2 2 couple, 1 2 coming out. ঠিক আছে? বুঝতে পারলে? অবিনাবশীল, বুঝতে পারলে কিনা
ঠিক
বলো?
আছে।
ঠিক আছে, চলো, হবে হবে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আচ্ছা, নেক্সট what we will do, কি করবো, 480 হচ্ছে the big triangle, now small triangle, triangle ABD. So
ওটারও এরিয়া বার
হ্যাঁ, ওটার এরিয়া বার করতে হবে, ABD, ওটা হাফ ইন্টু বেস ইন্টু হাইট দিয়ে হয়ে যাবে। হাফ ইন্টু বেস ইন্টু হাইট, বেস হচ্ছে 16
হ্যাঁ
and height is 12. So area of triangle ABD, let me write here, area of triangle ABD. Now area, সৃজা বুঝতে পেরেছো? সৃজা কোলে, জ্যোতি,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে, এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল এবিডি ইকুয়াল টু হাফ ইন্টু বেস। বেস কত আছে এখানে, বেস হচ্ছে 16, মানে বিডি, বিডি
ঠিক
ইন্টু
আছে
এডি। হ্যাঁ, বিডি ইন্টু এডি, হাফ ইন্টু বিডি ইন্টু এডি, হাফ ইন্টু বিডি ইন্টু এডি, বা এডি ইন্টু বিডি। তাহলে হাফ ইন্টু 16 ইন্টু,
72
ইয়েস, 2 8 যার 16, 8 ইন্টু 12 হচ্ছে 72, 72 centimeter square. Now what will be the area of the shaded portion? We will write therefore area of shaded portion, area of shaded portion will be equal to area of triangle ABC, big triangle ABC minus
এটারও এরিয়া ভুল
area of
আসছে
triangle ABD. হ্যাঁ বলো বাবা।
স্যার, এটা আমার 96 আসছে।
কি করে আসছে বলো তো এরকম তোমার, কি করে আসছে, হাফ ইন্টু বেস ইন্টু হাইট তো।
96 তো আসবে।
হ্যাঁ 96, 8 ইন্টু 12 কত হয়, ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ আমি তো টিশানের কথা শুনলাম, দাঁড়াও, 12 ইন্টু 8 আর 16, ইয়েস ইট ওয়াজ 8, ইয়েস 96 এ আসবে, ঠিক 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 ঠিক। টিশান,
ও সরি স্যার।
ছি 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 ছি, 96, থ্যাংক ইউ অভিনব সেল। এই তো গুড গুড গুড। কি হচ্ছে, তিস্মিতাও কি তুমি একই করছো নাকি, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তিস্মিতা বলতে পারতে তো আমাকে, স্যার ভুল হয়েছে। তিস্মিতা,
হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে তুমিও কি একই ভুল করছো নাকি পাশাপাশি বসে, হ্যাঁ?
না, আমি ওটা খেয়াল করিনি।
খেয়াল করোনি মানে, একজন করে ক্যালকুলেশন করছো আর একজন কপি করছো নাকি, 480 মাইনাস,
আমি আলাদা করেছিলাম কিন্তু আমি বলতে ভুলে গেছি।
বলতে ভুলে গেছো, আচ্ছা, ওকে, 480 মাইনাস 96 কত হচ্ছে, 480 মাইনাস 96, 384। So answer is 384 centimeter square. Check it. চেক করো, দিস ইজ দ্য আনসার। সৃজা বুঝতে পেরেছো, হয়েছে, মিলেছে?
হ্যাঁ।
সান্নিধ্য, সান্নিধ্য,
হ্যাঁ স্যার মিলেছে।
সৌরদীপ বড়ুয়া, সৌরদীপ বড়ুয়া,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
done, understood? Okay, okay. So shall we move on to the next question or shall we move on to the previous page? You want to see it? Is it okay? Everything is okay? So we got the area of the shaded portion equal to big triangle minus ABD triangle, white color triangle. Okay? Understood? Okay. Next, chalo, do this. This is the second question. Now, the second question is, In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, let me write properly. Right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, okay, hypotenuse is 26. The information given. Hypotenuse is 26 centimeter. Next information. Perimeter. P for perimeter is 60 centimeter. Okay. Hypotenuse is 26. Perimeter is 60 centimeter. Find the area. Find the area. Find the area. চলো চলো করে ফেলো তাড়াতাড়ি এরিয়া রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল জলদি 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 রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ড্র করে ফেলো do it fast. Let me take a right angle triangle over here.
স্যার পিটা পেরিমিটার
হ্যাঁ বলো বলো
বলছিলাম যে পিটা কি পেরিমিটার?
yes p the perimeter p for perimeter yes correct
ও ঠিক আছে।
a b c hypotenuse is 26 this is 26 okay now what to do bolo perimeter is 60 so you can write like this suppose AB plus so perimeter equal to 60 so we can write AB plus BC plus CA equal to 60. You can take any one of them as x. So AB is as x. So let AB equal to x. Let AB equal to x. Then put x plus BC, you write BC only. Plus CA, you write CA is 26. Hypotenuse equal to 60. Follow the board carefully. Follow the screen. So BC will be how much? BC will be 60 minus 26 minus x. So 60 minus 26 is how much? 34 minus x. So this is the value of BC. ठीक तो? Understood? This is the value of BC. 34 minus x. You write here 34 minus x. So AB is x and BC is 34 minus x. This much is clear? Please look at the screen and confirm me. Give me a confirmation. Everyone, please. This much is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Jyoti, Srija,
Yes, sir.
Srija,
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Okay, okay. This much is clear. Now what I will do, I will try to find the value of x by applying PT. Have some PT. Chalo. Chalo, PT on triangle ABC. So applying PT on triangle ABC, let me write here. PT on triangle ABC. We will get AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. What is AB square? X square. BC square is how much? 34 minus x. 34 minus x whole square. AC square হচ্ছে 26 square, right? Now you have to break them into A minus B whole square thing. তাহলে 34 square plus x square minus 2AB. So first x square is there. What is the value of 34 square? Let me do it in calculator.
1156.
1156. Yes, yes. So 1156. Thank you. Plus x square, and this is minus 2ab. Minus 34 into 2 into x. Isn't it? 2ab. So 68x equal to 26 square is 676. That I remember. 26 square is 676. So you make it a middle term factorization. Okay. So it will become 2x square, and then 676 you bring it to left side. 676 you bring it to left side. Let me see what happens. It is 2x square plus, sorry, minus 68x plus 1156 minus 676 equal to 0. So it will give you 480. So 2x square minus 68x plus 480 will give you 0. Now we can divide the entire thing by 2. It will become little bit more simple, isn't it? Everything you can divide both sides by 2. So division by 2 will give you 2x square becomes only x square, then 68 becomes 34x, and 480 becomes 240. দেখো তো this much is clear or not? And this is a quadratic equation. You have to do middle term factorization. This much is clear? বলো তো yes or no? This much is clear or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to solve it by middle term factorization. Let me write it in the next page. And do you remember, students? Do you remember, students, that trick that I taught you the last class? Trick that I taught you the last class to how to handle big middle term factor. So let me write it again. X square minus 34 plus 240. Let me write it again here. X square minus 34x plus 240 equal to 0. So how to do it? 240 middle term. 240 factorize. Prime factorize 240. You are getting 2. Just a minute. 240. 2 120. 260. What is the trick I taught you? Odd number, even number game. Remember na, everyone? Or you forgot? 3 1. Yes. So 34 is an even number. So you have to bring it by plus. Mane 240, before 240 there is plus sign. So you have to bring it by minus minus. So what is the division you will do? Minus minus one, you have to do addition. So addition of two even numbers will give you even, isn't it? Addition of two even numbers will give you even. So you have to separate 2 in both the sides. So let me see how we can do it. So let me see 34. So what are the even numbers that will add to give 34? So let me take 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, like this. So even numbers will be there in both the sides. So 2 to 8. 8 and no 24. Yes, 24 we got. See, this is the group. This is the group. Have you understood? I have done the group. So this green color portion will give you how much? 24, and the pink color portion will give you 10. Okay. So let me split this. So it will be x square minus 24x minus 10x plus 240 equal to 0. So x common nile x minus 24 minus 10 common nile x minus 24. Okay. So second step will be x minus 24 into x minus 10. This much is clear. So you will get two values of x. Therefore, isn't it? Therefore, one, if the product of two numbers is 0, then they are individually equal to 0. So x minus 24 equal to 0, or x minus 10 equal to 0. So you from here you will get x equals to 24, or x equals to 10. Okay, so two values of x you got. Now you will study the first case. When x is 24, then your triangle will look like what? X is 24. So ABC. So BC will be 34 minus x. So let me write it when x equal to 24 in the next page. Let me write when
স্যার আগের পেজে একটু যাবেন?
হ্যাঁ যাচ্ছি 24 সেন্টিমিটার বা 24 আচ্ছা লিখে নাও বুঝতে পারছো তো আন্ডারস্টুড তো students the screen is properly visible
Yes.
okay
Yes.
ঠিক আছে।
okay acha so what is the trick over here what is the trick students you see 34 is an odd number na you have to middle term factor মানে middle term split 34 ভালো করে শুনছো তো listen carefully what is the trick I have used 34 is an even number so while splitting I have to split the two groups both the groups should be even isn't it both the groups should be even and there is another option that both the groups should be odd but that is not possible here because there is at least 1 2 should be present in any one of the group so getting both the two factors by two splitting odd is not possible so only option is make both the groups even now we will start with taking 1 2 in one group
স্যার এই পার্টটা আগে বোঝাও না
হ্যাঁ let me
এই অড অড ইভেন ইভেন যেটা বললেন
হ্যাঁ দেখো let me see the trick what I have used over here ভালো করে দেখো শোনো 34 is a which number odd or even
ইভেন
even number তাহলে and we have 240 before 240 what sign we have plus তাই না so we have to bring it by minus minus মানে 34 has to be splitted by addition minus something will give you minus 34 right this much is clear to
হ্যাঁ
okay now let me show you so the minus 34 আছে you have to make minus something and that will give you 34 okay now it means basically addition something plus something will give you 34 মানে addition মানে you are adding two numbers that will give you 34 right now these two numbers both of them has to be even এটাও even হতে হবে even হতে হবে তাই না both of them has to be even or both of them has to be odd মানে যদি odd হয় তো both odd হবে এটা কেন বলতে পারবে can you tell me why because you see when you to get the answer even you have to add two even numbers or two odd numbers you do it yourself 3 plus 5 two odd numbers give you 8 even number again 4 plus 6 two even numbers addition 4 plus 6 10 will give you even number understood but here what look at the factors we have can we split the group into two odd groups not possible is it possible to split the entire group into two odd groups no not possible because 2 is present সিজা বুঝতে পারছো
হ্যাঁ
একটা 2 তো যে কোনো একটা গ্রুপে থাকবেই তাহলে দ্যাট 1 2 মানে একটা 2 একটা গ্রুপে থাকলে ইট উইল মেক দ্য এন্টায়ার গ্রুপ ইভেন একটা 2 is কাফি enough to make the entire group even so in this case odd plus odd combination is not possible only even plus even combination is possible
বলছি
that's why we will split in such a way that both the groups will be even now how to do this we need to take one by one we need to take twos into one group so first I took 5 and 2 then if nothing is happening then I will take another odd number or even number from other side in this way we'll progress okay So this is the way, but best is when there is odd x, when a coefficient of x is odd, then it becomes more easy. Understood? So you should do like that. You should not keep all the twos to one group. क्या बोल रहे हो समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे odd number माने even number we need as a result. So we should not keep all the twos in one group and all the odd numbers in other group. We should not do like that. Okay. So we will split it into such a way that both the groups are even. So this we should keep it in mind. Okay. So, so let me. Acha. Let me take this when x equal to 24. Then what are the values of the sides we are taking? So x is AB. So AB is 24 and CB is 34 minus x. So let me write AB is then AB equal to x equal to 24 and CB is 34 minus x equal to 34 minus 24 equals to 10. Understood? আচ্ছা নেক্সট কি হবে নেক্সট কি হবে next will be if so what is the perimeter what they are asked for they are asked for area so in this case area will be how much area will be half into AB into CD so area will be half into look at the figure you have drawn half into AB into CB or whatever you have taken as the base you take it CB half into base into height CB into AB both are same CB into AB so half into you just write same both are same half into CB into AB. So what is coming? Half CB is how much? 10. AB is how much? 24. If you cut it, 2 to cancel 12. 120 is the answer. 120 centimeter square. Okay. So now you do the another part. That is when x equal to 10. When you will see you will get the same values. But you have to do it when x equal to 10. So when x equal to 10, then AB will be how much? X equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so all these are centimeter. You have to write it centimeter. Okay, so centimeter square. So 8 centimeter and CB will be 34 minus x, that is 34 minus 10 equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so area will be how much? Half into base কত? CB into AB. CB is how much? CB হচ্ছে sorry 24 and it is 10, so it is getting you same result 120. So answer is 120. So area, therefore area হচ্ছে 120 centimeter square. This is the answer. You are getting same result by taking both the values. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now I am typing another problem in the chat box. Try to solve this. I am typing the problem. Very one line and problem. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Base equal to 12 centimeter. Then altitude is 2 centimeter less than equal sides. Find the area. I have written in the chat box. Please look at the chat box and try to solve it. Have you seen the problem? Have you seen the problem? I've written the problem in the chat box. Do it fast. Chalo, base is 12. So the big base is 12. Okay. Now it is the altitude. So let it be D perpendicular. So in an isosceles triangle, the altitude bisects the base. So this will be 6, this will be 6. Isn't it? What is the reason? 6 centimeter. I've taught you the reason. Can anyone tell me properly the theorem? So we will write AD perpendicular to BC and then BD equal to DC equal to BC by 2. Yes, tell me.
আনসার কি 24 বেরিয়েছে?
Answer কিসের answer? AD?
মানে এরিয়া।
Area no, it is not 24, it is 48. So let me write.
ও টোটাল এরিয়া বার করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ, total area.
তাহলে আমি আধার বার করেছি, মানে 24 + 24 হবে।
হ্যাঁ, exactly. 48 হবে. Yes, correct. You will take the, when you are finding area, you will take the full base. Half into BC into AD. So let me write over here. ঠিকই আছে তোমার, ঠিকই আছে. You have done correctly. So you will write, what is the reason you will write? Altitude statement লিখতে হবে কিন্তু. Altitude on. You will not get marks if you don't write statement. On base of an isosceles triangle bisects the base.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার বলছি এডি ইজ দ্য মিড পয়েন্ট অফ বিসি, এটা লিখতে পারি?
ওটাই তো লিখলাম, ওটা লেখার দরকার নেই। এটা লিখছো মানে এই যে বিডি ইকুয়াল টু বিসি ইকুয়াল বিসি বাই 2 লিখছো মানেই মিড পয়েন্ট। Altitude on base bisects of an isosceles triangle bisects the base. বাস। Now you will write যে BD, therefore BD equal to, therefore লেখার দরকার নেই, or equal to লেখো, এখানে therefore দাও উপর আগের লাইনটায়। Now you will write or equal to BD equal to DC equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, বাস। আচ্ছা, let the equal sides be x, এটাকে x ধরে নাও, AC কি লিখবে? let the equal sides, let the equal sides be x, তার মানে AC equal to AB equal to x, and according to problem altitude is 2 centimeter less than altitude, according to problem the altitude AD is 2
AD equals
centimeter,
to A minus
হ্যাঁ, equal to 2 centimeter less than the equal size, মানে x minus 2। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এটা x হলে this will be, altitude will be x minus 2. Understood? Now you apply Pythagoras theorem on one half triangle. So use Pythagoras theorem on half triangle. Okay. So now applying PT on triangle ADC. PT on triangle ADC. বুঝতে পারছো তো? জ্যোতি, আন্ডারস্টুড?
ইয়েস স্যার।
সান্নিধ্য, সৌরদীপ বড়ুয়া।
ইয়েস স্যার।
So PT on triangle ADC will give you AC square. Wait, you are good. AC square equal to, no, just add them. Wait. AD square plus DC square. So AD square.
Sir,
Bolo.
area 48.
Yes, correct. Correct. Aditya Singh, what is the value? Aditya Singh.
Area
Yes, yes.
48.
Okay, have you done it? Or you're just telling it randomly?
Sir, done it.
Done it. Okay. So 6 square equal to AC is x square. When you break it into whole square, x square plus x square plus 2 square মানে 4 minus 2 to the 4x. Isn't it? 2 into 2 into x. Isn't it? Man, 2 into AB. 2 into x into 2. So 2 into x into মানে
Sir, x
4x.
square minus 4 হবে।
এটা কেন x square minus 4 হবে? a square plus b square
ও
তো।
ঠিক আছে।
a square plus b square তো গো।
বুঝেছি
দেখো।
বুঝেছি।
হ্যাঁ। So it is x square plus b square মানে 2 square is 4 minus 2ab 2 into x into 2 মানে 4x আর এটা কি আছে একটা plus 6 square মানে 36 equal to x square plus 6 square মানে 36 equal to x square. Okay, so x square will get cancelled out. Okay, you bring it to everything to left side and x square to left side and numbers to right side. So minus 4x equal to wait minus just a minute. You can write like this x square minus x square minus 4x equal to minus 36 minus 4. The number is going to right side. Okay, so it is 0, so only minus 4x remaining equal to minus 40.
40
Minus minus cancelled, x equals to 40 by 4, x equals to 10. Okay, understood? So here x equals to cancel. Chalo, x equal to 10. তার মানে you are getting x equal to AC equal to 10 and then AD altitude will be x minus 2. So AC equal to 10. So therefore AC equal to x equal to 10 and AD, that is altitude, equal to x minus 2 equal to 10 minus 2 equal to 8. So now area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now take the full triangle. Half into full base. Full base মানে BC. Half into BC into AD. Half into base into height. Half into BC হচ্ছে full base. Height হচ্ছে altitude AD. তাহলে half into BC is how much? 6. AD is how much? AD হচ্ছে x minus 2. এটা বেরিয়েছে হচ্ছে আমার 8 centimeter. So right here centimeters. Okay. Must. AC value and then AD's value is 8 centimeter. So 6 into 8. Let me write it. So 3, just a minute. 3, wait. BC is no, sorry, BC is not 6. Sorry. BC is 12. I have my by mistake I have taken 6. It will be 12. 12 into 8. So 648 centimeters square. This is the answer. Everyone understood the answer? Everyone? Sauradip got the answer? Sanidhya? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Srishmita? Okay, done. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So last problem of today. Well, no, sorry. This triangle. Sorry, this triangle. Last problem of this triangle part is uh, number 4. So there is an isosceles triangle. Let me draw an isosceles triangle. Wait. Okay. So now in this isosceles triangle, the equal sides are 17 centimeter. Equal sides are 17 centimeter. Let me draw it A, B, C. So equal sides are 17 centimeter and the area is given 120 centimeter square. This is given, okay? Area is 120 centimeter square. Okay. So find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. Chalo. Isosceles triangle, obviously you can see that clearly. Chalo, how to do this? Let me give you an advice so that you don't go into the wrong direction. Let me give you the advice. Wait. So advice is, wait, drop the perpendicular, it will divide the base. Wait, just a minute. Drop the perpendicular, it will divide the base into two equal parts. Now, let it be D. Take 1/2 length as X. It will be the good idea. Otherwise, you will make a big mistake. Take half length will be X. So another half will also be X. So the full base will be 2X. Understood now? The full base length will be 2X. BC will be 2X. Got it? Everyone? Chalo. Now you continue. Continue. Acha, I think we have done this problem last class. Yes or no? I think we have done this problem. Yes, we have done this problem. Okay, then we are over. Don't do it, don't do it. This problem we have done. Please check your copies. Isn't it? You don't have to do it. Check your copies. Please, anyone confirm me? Give me a confirmation. We have done it. Okay, okay, we have done it. Leave the problem. We will now move on to uh, quadrilaterals. Okay. Wait. Let's move on to quadrilaterals. Leave it, leave it. You don't have to do it. Over. Chalo. Next. Uh, Now quadrilaterals. Triangle is over, okay? We will now move on to quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Acha, your homework will be to complete the first exercise of this mensuration from bottom. From bottom, you will start first exercise. You will complete it as soon as possible, and the PYQ of DPS school that I have sent you. Seen that now? So that is 1 week time. You will do little bit every day. Every day you do 2 to 3 problems from there every day. Maximum 2 problems or 3 problems every day. You finish it. Okay. 1 week time. You can take 8, 9 days also. Okay. Only the problems that I have mentioned. Now quadrilaterals. Tell me what is the formula of area of an trapezium? Do you remember the area formula of trapezium? Tell me. You've done it in class 8.
Sir, half into sum of parallel side into perpendicular.
Yes. Half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Into distance between the parallel side. Distance between the parallel sides. Distance between the parallel sides. Okay. Done. That is the area of trapezium. Now, what is the area of parallelogram? Any parallelogram. Follow. What is the area?
Base into height.
Yes, base into height. Okay, base into height. Height মানে perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. So it means if this is the parallelogram. Just a minute. This is the base. This is the height. Okay. Then what will happen? So this is the area. Now this is valid for rhombus as well because rhombus is also a parallelogram. So this base into height formula will be valid for rhombus as well. So you can write here rhombus is also a parallelogram. Okay, it is not 11 gram. Okay, don't think as 11 gram. It is parallelogram. Okay, understood? This is not 11. Okay, let me write like this. So rhombus is also a parallelogram. This formula is valid for both rhombus and parallelogram. Now tell me what is the special formula of rhombus? Special for rhombus.
Half into D1 into D2.
Yes, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. These are diagonals. Okay, understood everyone? These are diagonals. Diagonals of rhombus. Now, something new you are going to learn today may be new to some of you, may not be new to everyone. That is, এই যে লিখলাম half into d1 into d2, this formula is valid. This formula is valid for all the figures which has equal sides. But sorry, not equal sides. It is valid for all the figures whose diagonals intersect at 90 degree. কি বললাম? This formula valid for all figures or quadrilaterals, all quadrilaterals whose diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Okay, whose diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Is it okay? Are you getting? এর মানেটা কি? Can you tell me?
মানে half into length of one diagonal into length of the other diagonal.
হুম
Sir, মানে both the diagonal bisect each other at 90
না বাইসেক্ট নয় intersect 90 তে করলেই হবে. It is valid for all quadrilaterals whose diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Bisect হলে হবে না হলে না হবে, but 90 ডিগ্রিতে intersect করতে হবে. Okay, diagonal crossing point should be 90 degree. তাহলে এটা কাদের কাদের জন্য হয়? For which figures this happens? Can you tell me which figure this happens? It is valid for square. So এই যে half into d1 into d2, it is valid for, it means is valid for squares. এইটা তোমরা ক্লাস 8 এ করোনি, মানে জানতে না হয়তো মেবি, মানে half into d1 into d2 is valid for squares also. Understood? This is valid for squares also. Just like this, just it is same as that the formula of parallelogram is valid for rhombus also. In the same way, the special formula of rhombus is valid for squares also, because in squares also the diagonals intersect at 90 degree, and in rhombus also the diagonals intersect at 90 degree. বুঝতে পারলে? Now how it is, let me prove you. Let me prove you. So let me draw a square for that. Uh, Take a square. Yes. So this is a square. Yes. Let me take the diagonal. Okay. So what is the length? This is the L. This is the L. 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 Okay. Understood? So do you know what is the length of a diagonal of a square? You have studied this. What is the length of a diagonal? বলো, জানো তো এটা? বলো, শ্রীজা বলো। শ্রীজা কোলে, what is the length of a diagonal of a square? Aditya Singh, tell me, hurry up.
4 root
Hmm? Pass. Or no, hold on. What is the length of the diagonal of a square? Apply PT. কি অবস্থা? Apply PT.
that side into root 2.
Yes, root 2L. Apply PT. Apply PT on the lower triangle. So it will be L square. Apply PT. L square plus L square plus diagonal square. Sorry, equal to diagonal square. Isn't it? Yes or no? D for diagonal. Okay. Or you can write capital D. Wait. D for diagonal. Let me write capital D square. So it will be how much? 2L square. It will be capital D square. So capital D square will be root 2. First I am reversing the sides. Then capital D will be root over 2L square, right? So capital D will be root 2 and L square will come out as L. So these are the length of the diagonals, and you know in square diagonals are equal. In square the diagonals are equal, you know that. So let me draw the other diagonal also. So both the diagonals will be equal in length, isn't it? So let me write. So therefore area will be equal to half into d1 into d2. So let's take it d1. Let's take one diagonal as d1 and other diagonal. Both the diagonals are equal length. So this is also d and this is also d. So both are equal. Both of them you can take it as d into d. Here it is half. Okay, understood? Both are equal to d. Understood? They are equal. So now you will write what? You will write half. What is the length? Root 2L into another root 2L. So what is happening? Root 2 becoming 2. And niche another 2 is there. So L square is there. 2 cancel. 1 L square. You see, this is the area of square. Area of square is side square. Isn't it? Proved. See, square area can be found out by using the half into diagonal 1 diagonal 2 also. Okay? Yes or no? Tell me. Understood? Please give me a thumbs up whether you have understood or not. এতদিন জানতে this is the rhombus formula only. So it's a square formula also.
স্যার আরেকবার একটু বল।
কোনখানটা? বলো কোনখানটা?
এই লাস্টের পার্টটা ডি হাফ ইন্টু d1 ইন্টু d2।
হ্যাঁ, তো এটা তো প্রুফ করলাম। ডি এর ভ্যালু বার করলাম, দ্যাট ইজ √2L। যে ডি এর জায়গায় √2L পুট করলাম, দুটো d তো সেম, diagonals of a square are equal না, diagonals of a square are equal, তাই জন্য দুটোটাই √12 পুট করলাম, √2 কত হয় 2, √2 into √2 is 2, and L into L is L square, and in the denominator there is another 2, so 2 cancel, only L square remaining, and you know area of a square is L into L, side into side, that is side square, so that is proved. The half into d1 into d2 formula works for both rhombus as well as square also. ওকে, আন্ডারস্টুড? সৃজা বুঝতে পেরেছো? জ্যোতি, সৃজা, ওকে, চলো, ঠিক আছে। So let us move on to problems now. So diagonal of a square is √12. You should remember this also. Okay, you should remember this diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square of side L. Okay, of side L and squares diagonals are equal in length. There is 90-degree. Diagonals are equal in length. Okay, when the figures are straight, then the diagonals will be equal in length. कादर कादर फिगर स्ट्रेट है, किस किस का फिगर स्ट्रेट होता है? Rectangle and square, and tilted figures are parallelogram and rhombus. So in parallelogram and rhombus the diagonals are what? Not equal. Okay, in parallelogram and rhombus the diagonals are not equal. Okay, so let's move on to the first question of today, that is, do question number 2. Take out exercise 15.2. Do question number 2. Take out exercise 15.2. Do question number 2. Hurry up. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
স্যার একটু পেজ নাম্বার বলবেন?
বাকিরা ফ্রেন্ডসদের জিজ্ঞেস করো, আমার তো মিলবে না বাবা। বাকিরা বলো, ওকে, পেজ নাম্বারটা বলে দাও।
370.
কত? 370. ওকে। Question number 2. Hurry up. Basically, this is a continuation of Pythagoras theorem only. মানে triangle portion only, isn't it? Although it's a quadrilateral. Although it's a quadrilateral, it will be done by triangle only. Please hurry up, do it. Chalo. So everyone should remember that. See, everyone should remember that if a triangle is like this, if a triangle is like this, then you can do it. If it is suppose it is 28, this can be height. But if a triangle is like this, so this is h, but this is not the height. It is suppose this is 28 or any other value 28, then this cannot be taken as the height. This can be taken as the height, okay? Because height should always be perpendicular to the base. Understood? You should remember this. So half into base into height formula, this should be perpendicular. Is it okay? Should remember this, everyone. Good question asked, and I think you will remember this in future. Chalo. So this will come from Heron's formula. Heron's formula. The first will come from half into base into height. So find out BD by applying Pythagoras theorem. So this is coming out to be, first one is,
BD 41.
okay. So half into AB. AB is 40 into AD is 9. CBD. So we will find out separately CBD area. So it will be, so let us find out separately. Don't write like this and put the values directly. So let me find out first CBD. Pythagoras theorem then first apply. So Pythagoras theorem on ABD. It will give BD directly root over AD square plus AB square. AD square is a 9 square plus AB square. 81 plus 160. Sorry, 1600. So it is BD. How much it is coming? 1681. 1681, is it a square of anything?
41.
Okay, so this is the square of 41 centimeter. So this is coming out to be, BD is coming out to be 41 centimeter. So what is the semi perimeter? Semi perimeter of which triangle? Semi perimeter of Heron.
BDC.
Let me mark it, Heron's triangle. Heron. So lower is PT and then Heron on this triangle. Chalo. It will be 15 plus 28 plus 41. 15 plus 28 plus 41 by 2, it will come out to be 84 by 2, it is 42. Semi perimeter. So area will be how much? Root over 42 into 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15 into 42 minus 41. So it will be 42 minus 20 is 14. 15 is 15 plus 12. 27. Isn't it? How much is coming, students? 27. And it's coming 42 minus 1. So solve it. 7 is there in 42. 6 7 is 42. So 1 7 will come out. And 3 and 2 will come out. 42, 14, 27 it will come out to be 126. So let me write. Don't get confused. Let me write it for you. So 42 one is 6 into 7. So and here 7 into 2. 42 is 6 into 7 and here it is 3 twos. 3 into 3 into 3. So we can also write 42 as 3 into 2 into 6. Understood? So these are the breakings. Now you can generate pairs. How can you generate? 6, 7. Okay, sorry. 7 it will be. Sorry. It will be 7. Okay, now generate pairs. 7, 7, 1, 7 will come out. 3, 3, 3. 2, 3 is, there are 4 threes, so 2 will come out and 1, 2 will come out. দেখো তো বুঝতে পারলে কিনা? 9 and 18, 18 into 7 will 126. Okay, everyone understood? জ্যোতি বুঝতে পেরেছো? তৃষ্মিতা, সৃজা, সান্নিধ্য, সৌরদীপ.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. So 126 centimeter square. Okay, so that is the area of triangle DCB বা CBD and area of triangle ABD. So here I'm finding in the next page area of triangle ABD. Just a minute. area of triangle A,
180 meters.
yes, half into, let me see, yes, correct. Half into AB into AD. AB into AD. AB is how much? 40 into 9. 20 into 9. 180 centimeter square. So what will be the area of the which portion? Total area. So area of ABCD will be, therefore area of full ABCD, the quadrilateral, will be sum of 180 plus that one came out to be 126, isn't it? This one plus 126. So it will come out to be how much? 306. Okay, done. Everyone understood? Please tell me. Okay, understood everyone? ठीक तो? Yes or no? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay, we will move on to question number 8. Do question number 8. This you have done. Actually, class 8 things. Hurry up, do question number 8.
মানে রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার ফিল্ডার এরিয়াটা থেকে 492 কে মাইনাস করতে হবে।
Yes, yes, yes. না মানে তোমার ফুল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল থেকে 492 মানে ভেতরে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল মাইনাস করলে, ভেতরে রেক্ট্যাঙ্গেল মাইনাস করলে ইউ উইল গেট 492। তো ইকুয়েশন ফ্রেম করতে হবে না? সো লেট মি ডু ইট। দেখো ভালো করে দেখো। অর্ণব হালদার হয়েছে? দেখো। ওকে, ডান। চলো, লেট মি, ওকে, ওয়েট ওয়েট ওয়েট। হুম, so drawing is done. Question number 10. Acha. Now it is given what is the 50. This is 50. So this full length is 50 meter. You alphabet, give alphabets A B C D, A B C D. Okay. Then P Q R S, P Q, না বুঝতে পারলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বলবে কিন্তু কোনো হেজিটেশন নয়। আর এস। Okay. So let the path width be x. Width of the path be x. So this will be x. Again this will be x. Footpath, footpath. Okay. Okay. Footpath. Width of the footpath x. So you need to this path area মানে এই যে pathটা running all around, this path area is 492. বুঝতে পেরেছো? This portion, this path area, this portion is 492. This portion is 492 meters square. Are you getting now? Okay. So this width is, let me draw the width, it is 38. Okay. If the area of the path, consider a rectangle field having length 50 and breadth. Area of rectangle আছে length into breadth. Okay. So now we will do what is the length of PQ. Now listen, the main thing is path area will be equal to, see, path area will be equal to area of big triangle ABCD, isn't it? Minus area of small triangle, that is PQRS. Yes or no? So you can write path area is given 492 minus area of ABCD will be how much? 50 into 38 and equal to 50 into 38 minus PQRS will be how much? PQ will be 50 minus x minus x. So it will be 50 minus x into 38 minus x minus x. দেখো তো বুঝতে পারলে কিনা? Please confirm me. Please tell me whether you understood or not. No hesitation, please. This part is PQRS, this part is ABCD. Please give me a confirmation. If you cannot understand, you tell me. Is it okay? Okay. So 50 into 38 is how much? Let me do it in the calculator. 1900. Okay. It is 492. So minus 1530 is in bracket, you will get 1900. Okay, minus 100x. Acha, you can simplify this. Okay, wait. First simplify this. 2x. You do this simplification. Okay. Minus 50 minus 2x into 38 minus 2x. Okay. So we can simplify actually. How we can simplify? We can divide. Okay, 492 is there. Wait, it is 1900, and we can take 2 common from both the factors. 2 common. So we can take 2, another 2 from behind factor. So it will be 25 minus x into, if you take to go 1, 19 minus x. Tell me whether you understood this or not. Tell me. I am taking 2 common from both the factors. Is it clear? Please confirm me whether you understood or not. যদি না হয় জিজ্ঞেস করো, চুপ করে থেকো না কিন্তু কেউ।
স্যার টু
ওকে,
ইন্টু টু ওটা কি করলে একটু বলবেন?
তো এতবার জিজ্ঞেস করার কারণে কেন বলছো, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে কেন বলছো না? বারবার কি বলা সম্ভব? দেখো 50 মাইনাস 2x থেকে আমি 2 কমন নিয়েছি, একটা 2 বেরিয়ে আসবে তো, তাহলে রিমেইনিং কত? 25 মাইনাস x। ওকে, আবার 38 মাইনাস 2x থেকে 2 কমন নিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে রিমেইনিং কত? 19 মাইনাস x। বুঝতে পারলে কিনা বলো?
টু ইন্টু টু কেন আগে করে?
ওটাই তো বলছি, তুমি এইখান থেকে একটা 2 কমন নিয়ে বাইরে বার করেছো, আবার এখান থেকে একটা 2 কমন নিয়ে বাইরে বার করেছো, দুখানা 2 চলে গেল না?
ও ঠিক আছে,
ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ বুঝেছি।
দেখো 2 বাদ দেওয়ার পর 25 মাইনাস 2 বাদ দেওয়ার পর এটা হচ্ছে। So divide the entire equation by 4 and see what happens. 492 divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 123. Dividing the entire equation by 4, it is becoming 123. 4 से divide करो, 4 4 जा 16. Okay. Then 30. 4 7 are 28, 4 5 are 20. Is it okay? Then these 2's are getting cancelled out. 25 minus x into 19 minus x. Okay. Then you multiply it. Equal to how much? You 25 to 19. Okay. Let me do it. 25 into 19. 475. Then 25 into 19 minus 25x minus 19x, then plus x square. Okay, so let me take 123 equal to 475 minus, it will be 475 minus 25 plus 19, 25 plus 19, 44 plus x square. So open up the bracket, minus 475 plus 44x minus x square. Okay, the signs are changed. So this will get cancelled out. 475 will cancel out. Then what it will get? You bring all of them to left side. These things you bring it to left side. So you'll get 120 x square minus 44x minus 123, sorry, plus 123 equal to 0. So let me go to the next page and solve the equation. So x square plus minus 44x. So we are getting x square plus, let me see, x square minus 44x plus 123. X square minus 44x equal to 0. Okay. So you factorize it. 123. Can you factorize it? 123. 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 41 and 3. Okay, 41 into 3. You see it? Sorry, 41 into 3. 41 into 3 will give 123. Right? Then 41 and 3 subtraction and addition will give 44. Understood? So it is very easy. So it is x square minus 41x minus 3x plus 123 will be equal to 0. Okay, let me see whether recording is going on. Yes, recording is going on. And then if you take x as common, it will be x minus 41, 3 as common, x minus 41 equal to 0. So it will be 0. Therefore, x equal to 41 or x equal to 3. Understood? Tell me whether you understood or not. So when x equal to 41, you will get a value. Since width of the path cannot be negative or cannot be greater than breadth of field, so x cannot be 41. Okay. So it's a rectangular field. So width of the path cannot be greater than the breadth. So 41 cannot be the answer. It is a very valid observation. You see, the width of the path cannot be greater than breadth. No? Can this value, try to understand, this is 38. So can this value become greater than 38? Is it possible? Not possible. Yes or no? The entire length is 38. So only this portion cannot be entire length 30. This portion cannot be greater than 38. Is it okay? So what you will write as answer? You will write that width of path cannot be greater than breadth of field. Now we will write here. So, but width of path, সান্নিধ্য বুঝতে পেরেছো? সান্নিধ্য সৌরদীপ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
width of path cannot be greater than breadth or width of field. Width of path cannot be greater than width of field. Okay, or width of field. Because the path is inside the field, right? The path is inside the field. So x equal to, so width of path will be equal to, therefore width of path is 3 meter. Therefore width of path equal to 3 meter. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, width of path equal to 3 meter. That is the answer. Tell me, understood or not? Width of footpath. Sorry, it is footpath, in that footpath. Tell me, is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Footpath is this one. Chalo. So that is all for today. Just before ending the class, I will wait, just a minute. Before ending the class, I will just give you an idea of midpoint theorem. Just 2 minutes you need. What is that? Rough idea. MPT, midpoint theorem. Just a rough idea. Only 1 minute you need. Just a minute. Okay. What is it? If there is a triangle like this, and if these are the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle, if you join these midpoints, then this will be parallel to the base of the triangle. If these are midpoints, okay, that is the theorem. If these are midpoints, then if you join the midpoints, it will be parallel to the base, and this will be half of the base. So let me write it down. If this is AB, A, B, C, M, N, so MN will be parallel to BC, and the length of MN will be half the length of BC. These two things will happen due to midpoint theorem. Now M is the midpoint of AB, and N is the midpoint of AC. Okay, understood or not? Tell me. This is the midpoint theorem, and converse means what? Converse of midpoint means what do you mean by converse? Now suppose if I draw a line which is parallel to a base BC, and the line starts from N, then obviously wherever the line cuts the other side, one AC side, it will be midpoint only of that side. So that is converse. Do you understand what is converse? Converse means if M is the midpoint and we start drawing a parallel line to BC, then the line MN, wherever the line goes, is the line that I have started drawing parallel to BC, that will meet the side AC in the midpoint only. If M is also the midpoint, then N should also be the midpoint. And if the line is drawn parallel to the base, so that is converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, so we will start midpoint theorem next class, but before that, You try to cover little bit of problems. I will do more problems of mensuration. Don't worry about that. Because mensuration you have done, little bit you have done in class 8. So try yourself. I will clear your doubts. Don't worry.